congratulations for one more very successful PharmaTech Expo along with IPC. I think you are what you call taking, as I say, democratizing the event of pharmaceutical exposition and bringing it to multiple cities and taking it to multiple areas, which I think it's a good thing because it gives an opportunity for the local people to participate.
So it was good participation and good crowd, and we are happy with the response.
I thank for the committee for giving an opportunity wherein we got a lot of exposure and meeting a new clientele list has been developed because of this.